welcome to Lunar Roseberry, and today I'm going to be reacting to my old videos part 2. But I mean this time it's not going to be that cringy old gacha videos, because this time it's my another channel which still exists, Kiwi and Rose the Cocktail. Actually I deleted this video because it was over cringy. I mean recently only I deleted, but I posted it. So you guys can check it. But in my old channel, like I have this kind of videos, like shots where my birds do nothing and just me playing songs and shots. Never mind. Let's react to some of my old movie kind of videos. Never mind. Let's just do it. Where am I? Mama cat. I have it. Why double times it's repeating? Who are you? Why is it repeating? One candy my kid. No. Actually, if you see, there's a failed edit. I think you guys can easily see. New! Not even know it's new. Never mind. It's like I'm not cool. Okay, we done. We done with what? I'm falling in a pit. Oh, hi. So guys, if you just see, like this sister said, I just fall in the pit where Kiwi is literally there, and the kidnapper is like, oh hi my dear, today I'm gonna kidnap you. Just say, be happy, like that. The kidnapper is like that, like even this is a flower. Never mind. I think my editing was I think I was super creative before. If you guys want me to react to part 2 of this movie, remember to like and subscribe. No, I'm not forcing you. Just comment. If you want, comment. Never mind. Let's just get in this movie. That's super good, right? Like, he was like, so imagine I'm having like this. This is the flower. A leaf comes. Never mind. So a leaf comes like just like this. A leaf comes out of flower from nowhere, bro. Nowhere. Leaf just comes from nowhere. And it says, I took your sister. Nice. No! The kidnapper took his sister. Actually, these 3 are actually the same birds. It's actually Kiwi. But like 3 of them are same, not different birds. They're just same. You hear? Yeah. He's like Kiwi. When I saw Kiwi, he's like, what? What? Like that. Never mind. Oh my god, this is funny. The next time you're getting kidnapped, guess what they'll do? And they will be like washing some face with water. They'll do like that. Never mind. This is what's Hey, how dare you? this next scene is going to be epic, bro. You have to see. Nice, such a kind brother. Kiwi is such a kind brother. Like if you want Kiwi as your brother. Never mind, don't like and subscribe. I'm way too over, I think. Come, tell us what problem. Aren't you coming soon? And I'll